I'm Tom O'Neill, a landscape photographer from the northwest of England. Subscribe and join me as I photograph epic mountainscapes, serene lakes, majestic seascapes, and magnificent waterfalls. This is Solo Photo Ventures. Hello there. So in today's video I'm doing a little small video in Betws y Coed. We're actually going to go and visit the waterfall just over the bridge. I want to see if we can get some decent compositions of it. Betws y Coed is surrounded by some stunning woodland walks, mountains, absolutely beautiful place, but because I'm here with the family and a rather tired daughter, we're just going to the waterfall today. Okay, so this is a quite popular waterfall. It's right in the middle of Betws y Coed and it's under this bridge. It's just the other side over here. The reason I'm under here at the moment, it is raining, so I wanted to get a bit of shelter while I'm actually doing this piece to video. First shot I'm going to go for is a dead-on composition from the bridge looking at the waterfall. Got all the rocks in the foreground. Hopefully I'll be able to take that shot without any people in it. It is a difficult one to photograph and get right because there aren't many compositions that A, nobody's had before, and B, it's actually very hard to get a decent composition of the actual waterfall. What I'm going to try after this shot, I'm going to go a bit further up and I'm going to try and get a side-on aspect to the waterfall and try and get the bridge in as well. That may be difficult because of the nature of the rocks that are over there, but hopefully this shot, if it's any good, here it comes. I'm not certain how this composition is going to work out. I'm actually looking at the waterfall on one side of my composition, which is on the right hand side, and I've got the bridge on the left hand side. The rocks are covered in water, so they're really shiny and slippery, so I'm using the polarizer to take the glare off those. So I'm going to take this shot quite fast at slow exposure to about a quarter of a second exposure for this one. I'm also having to wait for when the bridge is empty, so with any luck, this composition works out. I'll put it up now for you. I'm getting one last composition of the waterfall, which is this one here. I'm actually perched on the edge of this drop into the waterfall, looking directly at the big fall in front. What I'm loving about it, got the mosses on the rocks, which looks absolutely fantastic. Using the polarizer to take the glare off the actual rocks. Shooting at about half a second in order to slow the motion of the water down, but the water is quite fast moving, so I'm having to avoid it overexposing, especially since the sun keeps coming out on it. Overall, I think that makes a good composition. So there we go, that was a brief video of the waterfall at Betws y Coed. Now, not every video can be long, it's only a small location, but I think I managed to get some good photos and footage. Hopefully you'll join me for the next one. In the meantime, bye for now.